Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Paris and I am co-founder at Kidora. In this video, I'll give a brief introduction about Kidora and will give a quick walkthrough of all our products. At Kidora, we are working with the vision of using technology and developing assistive tools that can help children with developmental disorders. While working in the ecosystem, we identified few challenges that can be solved using technology. We identified that diagnosis of such conditions, specifically autism, is getting very late, generally at 4.5 years of age, which is quite late. Also, there is very low availability of therapists uh, as in the country, and due to which there exists a communication gap between therapists and parents of children, those who need support. To solve these challenges, we came up with few lines of products that I'll just show you. So the first tool that we created was Screenplay, which is a game-based screening tool that can be used to identify children who may have likelihood of such conditions. Currently, we are clinically validating this tool, and this tool is currently under clinical trial. The second tool is basically designed for parents, which is Aura Connect, which provides home-based assessment to the parents, and parent can get a quick understanding about their child's developmental delays and developmental milestones. So these two tools are related to pre-screening and screening of such conditions, and the third tool is designed for therapy centers and organization working in child care space, and it basically aims to bridge the communication gap that exists between organization and parents of those children. So I'll elaborate on Aura Connect. So Aura Connect, as I was saying, is a home-based application for getting a quick assessment of these conditions, and it usually takes 15 to 20 minutes for a parent of the child to fill up few questionnaire, record video activities, and interact with the games, and in the end they get a quick developmental report card about their child, validated by an expert, where we assess three basic skills that are physical, language, and social skills. So the whole value proposition of Aura Connect is to help parent quickly get a report card and quick guidance on child's development. The third tool, that is Communica, is designed specifically for organization and parents of children who have been diagnosed with autism or such conditions. And Communica is a web platform available to organizations, and mobile application is available for parents. Communica aims to enhance the communication between specialist and primary caregiver, and how we can provide better assistance and improved home reinforcement for children with such conditions. So Communica has few set of features that can be used by organization and therapy centers to deliver home-based therapies and get quick progress tracking module into the platform. So I'll give a quick demo of Communica and what are all the features that we have on Communica. So this web platform is available to the organization members, where specialist or therapist or child specialist working with their child can sign up onto the platform and you make use of these features to enhance their therapies and side by side track child's progress. So we have a feature of scheduling analytics, where analytics is a feature where therapy centers can track their child's progress throughout the therapy and what has been working and what has not been working. We have activities. Activities is a library of all the therapy based activities that can be assigned to the child, and parent can use these activities to with their child, and these activities also help us track progress of child along their therapy journey. The therapy module also helps organization members to come together on a single platform and share their content with each other, which enhances collaboration. This platform has two types of users, that is members and children. So members are all the team members of the therapy centers that are that are working in that organization, and the the admin of that organization can manage each and every one profile and can assign children to all these therapists. Second user that we have is children user, where organization can manage child's profile, and child's profile helps organization in documenting their child journey along with the therapy progression. So under every child profile we have few tabs. That is profile contains basic details and diagnostic details about the child's diagnosis and what are the medications, what are the uh, condition of that child. And the second feature we have over here is activities feature. So this feature can be used to give intervention of therapies using activities. These activities are directly sent out to the parents, where parents can view these activities and try out these activities with their child. The third feature is curriculum, which is IEP, where organization members can create long-term goals and short-term goals. And so every long-term goal has short-term goals, and alongside observation can also be jotted down for each short-term goal, which helps us in documenting the whole journey. The fourth feature over here is home task feature, where therapist or child specialist working with the child can share resources with the parent, and parent can quickly view that, access that resource, and also if they have any question, they can also ask through comment section that we have in this section. Yeah, so we have all these features built, designed for organizations, where they can manage their whole all the children, and also document and track progress of each of their child. Another feature that we are currently launching soon is journal feature, where parent of the child can track and add details about child's behavior and routine throughout the day. So we have options like jotting down sleep behavior, food, what were the meltdowns, what were the tantrums, what were the behavior of that child throughout the day, and that information then gets visible to the therapist that is assigned to them, and helps the therapist to take better decisions about intervention regarding that child. Yeah, so these are the features that we have in Communica, and which helps us in getting a better understanding, helps organization manage everything related to their organization on one single platform, and also enhances collaboration between all the team members that are working with the child. Yeah, so that was a quick demo. So the whole aim of this platform is to bring caregivers and care providers on one single platform, so that they can share data, share information, and communicate better with each other. The caregiver gets a quick access to learning resources, and so that they can continue learning with their child while they are at home. Journaling also helps parents to get better understanding of child's behavior. On other side, the organization and therapists that are working with their child gets to know what has been the progress so far about that child, and they also can create and track child's curriculum and manage therapies, and organization gets a system to keep a record of each and every thing that is happening in that organization. Yeah, so this has been few feedback that we got while we were prototyping it with few organizations here in India. And yeah, so this is few testimonials and feedback. Yeah, so that was quick demo of our work and product.